Good morning students. Today we are going to see the seventh sum from exercise 3.2. On that first one, x plus y minus z plus of 3x minus 5y plus 7z minus of 14x plus 7y minus 6z. They had given this algebraic expression. You have to group the like terms and you have to simplify it and find the answer. For grouping the like terms, first you have to remove this bracket. If you are having the positive sign in front of this bracket, you can directly remove the brackets. Or if you are having the negative sign in front of the bracket, you have to take the additive inverse of all the terms inside this bracket. First, x plus y minus z. This is the first bracket. Then we are having positive sign. So, we are writing it as it is. In the second bracket also, we are having the positive sign in front of it. So, we are writing the second bracket also as it is. But in the third one, we are having it as a negative. So, we are changing this negative into positive and we are going to take the additive inverse for all the three terms. That is plus 4x will change, 14x will change into minus 14x, plus 7y will change into minus 7y and minus 6z will change into plus 6z. Now, we are having the positive sign in front of all the three brackets. So, we are removing the bracket in the next step. After removing the brackets, we get x plus y minus z plus 3x minus 5y plus 7z minus 14x minus y plus 6z. The next step, you have to group the like terms. That is grouping the x variable, y variable and z variable. If you are grouping this, we get x plus 3x minus 14x. And the y variables are plus y minus 5y minus 7y. And the z variables are minus z plus 7z plus 6z. After grouping the like terms, you have to take the common variable outside and you have to add the coefficients. That is 1. The coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of 3x is 3. The coefficient of minus 14x is minus 14 and we are taking the common variable x outside. The same way for y minus 5y minus 7y, the coefficients are 1, minus 5, minus 7. Here also we are taking the common variable y outside. And for this z variables, minus z plus 7z plus 6z, the coefficients are minus 1 plus 7 plus 6. We are taking the z as common. After taking the common variables, you have to add it. That is 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 14, we get minus 10. The variable x. Plus 1 minus 5, we get minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 7, we get minus 11. And the variable is y. The third term, minus 1 plus 7 plus 6, we get the answer as 12. And the variable is z. That is minus 10x minus 11y plus 12z. That is the simplified form of this algebraic expression is minus 10x minus 11y plus 12z. Let's see the second sum. In the second sum, they had given p plus 2 plus p plus 3 minus p minus 4 minus p minus 5 plus p plus 10. Here there is no bracket, so we can directly group the like terms. That is, we are having only the p variable. So first we are grouping the p variable and then we are writing the constant terms. After grouping the p variables, take the variable p outside, leaving the coefficients alone inside. We get 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 of p plus and the constant terms 2 plus 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 10. If you are adding this plus 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled. Same way this plus 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled, leaving 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2 and the variable is p plus here 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 4 remains 1 and 1 minus y gives minus 4. The minus 4 plus 10 we get 6. That is the simplified form of this algebraic expression is 2p plus 6. And the third sum we are going to see is n plus of m plus 1 plus of n plus 2 plus of m plus 3 plus of n plus 4 and plus of m plus 5. Here they had given the brackets, but in front of all the brackets they have only the positive signs. So we are directly removing the brackets. We get n plus m plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus m plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus m plus 5. After removing the brackets, you have to group the like terms. Here we are having the variable n, m and thus constants. First we are grouping the n terms. We get n plus n plus n, and we are grouping the m term m plus m plus m, and then we are grouping the constant 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. After grouping the variables, you have to take the common variable and you have to add the coefficients. Here n plus 1 is the coefficient in all the three terms. The coefficient is 1, that is 1 plus 1 of n. In the same way for m plus m, the coefficient is 1 for all the three terms. So we are writing 1 plus 1 of m, and we are adding the constants, we get a 15. After taking the common variable, you have to add the coefficient, that is 1 plus 1 we get 3n. Same way plus 1 plus 1 of m we get 3m, that is 3n plus 3m plus 15. That is the simplified form of this algebraic expression is 3n plus 3m plus 15. Thank you.